Welcome to a MainelyDIY.com video. Okay, so now I'm going to make an ornament with this one that's textured. The texture is actually on the outside, and I am going to try a red glitter in this one. And so I am going to pour my leftover varnish from my other one that I did here. Pouring that right in the ball. Being careful not to get any bubbles, and I'm just acting real slowly, turning that just slowly. I want to coat the whole bulb, so it takes a little bit of time, but you do want to make sure you coat the whole thing, and you want to avoid getting bubbles in there. So and I am working over my cup so that if I drip any out, it will go right into my cup. Again, this is varnish. I find that works a lot better than the things like floor wax, because the floor wax doesn't seem to last very long. So I am getting a clean cup to use for when I put my red in. So I am opening my glitter up here and kind of made a mess, but that's alright. Okay, now that I feel like that's drained sufficiently, I am going to pick that up. And I am going to put some of my glitter right down in there. And I'm working over my clean cup. Let's try that amount. And again, I'm working over wax paper, because that way any of the glitter that I spill, I can fold up my wax paper and use it as a funnel to funnel it right back in my container. So I am taking my bulb and just swirling it around, to get it coated with the glitter. Okay. And I think we probably need some more glitter in there, so I am going to add some more. And just rolling it around. I get down to the top in a little bit here. Just taking my time spinning it around so that what's up against the glue has a chance to adhere. And that's why we needed to add a little bit more so that we could get full coverage on it. Okay. So a little bit came out when I put it right upside down. I'm going to put that right back in. So I want to make sure I get a good solid color on this. I want to make sure it gets really coated, so I'm actually even going to add some more glitter to it. And again, I'm swirling it around, going a little bit faster this time because it's primarily coated, but working down to the neck, giving that a chance to get coated as well. Okay, so I'll set that upside down and let that one dry. Let's check out how I'm doing with my ornament. So I am going to pull it off the cup, and I see there's actually quite a bit of red glitter in that. But I'm inspecting my ball, and I am fine with the amount of coverage I have on this one. So all I need to do is pop the top back on and make sure I get the right one for the right bulb. To do is pop my top back on there, and I'm going to go ahead and squeeze those two little pieces together. put it down in my bowl, and there it is. So this one's all done, ready to go.